2 salchichits, 2 hot dogs, cut them in half, córtalo en la mitad. Yep. Let that cook. Dejar que esto se cocine. In the meantime, vamos a preparar la palta o aguacate. We're gonna prepare this avocado. Hopefully it's good. Quick. Yep, we can still work with this. Let's still work with this. Poco de aceite, a little bit of olive oil here. Se ve tan como la callampa. Maybe it should be the screenshot. Now we just slice the tomato. Vamos a hacer un par de cortes en el tomate. Salt, tomato and avocado, en la parte llena de tomate. So we're ready with that. Now we just flip this. This is gonna be like an open sandwich, basically, similar to Italian style, right? Similar a un hot dog Italiano. You can check that on my videos. Lo puedes ver en mis videos cuando hice un completo italiano. Since this is keto, I can't really, I've said this many times, but I can't really use more bread or any other type of bread. So it's just 2 slices. We add the hot dog. That, like that. Course, and maybe some mustard, un poco de mostaza, that's it. Another easy, fast keto meal. Eso es todo, nos vemos, chao, thank you.